My baby, she making some homemade chili. We got some ground turkey and some smoked beef sausages. Yum. We're gonna add some black beans, ranch style beans, and navy beans. We're also adding some diced tomatoes and tomato sauce. Okay, that's the sausage, the turkey meat, onions, and bell peppers. My baby is about to drain the liquid off. Okay, now to add the seasons, we got some paprika. Okay.
Okay, now we have some onion powder. Okay, now we're going in with some ground cumin. Next, garlic powder. Chili powder. Okay,
All right, everybody's favorite. What is that?
Tony Satchers.
All right.
You know, I called it Creole or what? Creole.
Okay. Now, your chili meat need to be seasoned, y'all. Season that meat.
All right, now we're finna pour in some tomato sauce.
Yeah. And we're gonna add a little bit of water to that tomato sauce. So put some water in your tomato sauce can, y'all.
Put some water in there.
You can use broth, chicken broth, beef broth. We're just gonna use water because we got it well seasoned.
Ready to pour the mug in. Putting
in the tomatoes.
Yeah.
Drain and rinse black beans before adding them. Okay. And then we have the navy beans and the ranch style beans. We're going to leave those with the juice.
Ooh. Ooh. That's kind of yucky.
And them ranch styles. All right, y'all. That's the makings of my baby's chili. It's gonna be good. Now this is going to cook for about an hour on medium heat.
Ooh, a long time.
Okay, y'all.
Ooh, it smells good.
All right, this is it. The chili is done. We just have to let it cool completely so that we can store it in the freezer for later. Good job, baby girl.
Thank you. It smells real good.
Now, before we store it, y'all, I'm going to add a little cheese in here. Y'all know we got to taste it.
Really? You record?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so now I'm finna try some.
She got her little cheese on hers.
It's so hot.
It's hot. Blow it good.
Yeah, dog.
Too hot?
A little bit. But shoot, it tastes so good.
Tastes so good?
Mm-hmm.
Let me let them get a good old look at it.
Go ahead, get a look. Look.
She got hers real good and cheesy. You did good, girl.
Real good, especially if it's cold outside.
Well, it ain't cold. It's summertime. But hey, it is what it is. All right, y'all. Okay, that's it, y'all. Didn't my baby do such a great job? All right. Thank y'all so much for spending some time with us. Catch you on the next video. Love y'all big. Bye.